Welcome to today's instructional video on how to solve inequalities. In this video, we will learn how to solve the inequality 2r plus 4 is greater than 10. We will go step by step through the process and learn how to express the solution using both the inequality notation and interval notation forms. Let's get started. Step 1 to solve the inequality 2r plus 4 is greater than 10 is to isolate the variable r. To start, we need to remove the constant term that is added to the term with r. In this inequality, the constant term is 4. We can eliminate this constant by subtracting 4 from both sides of the inequality. Subtracting 4 from both sides helps keep the inequality balanced, just like a balance scale, where we need to take away the same amount from both sides to maintain equality. The expression can be altered as follows. Original inequality, 2r plus 4 is greater than 10. Subtract 4 from both sides. 2r plus 4 minus 4 is greater than 10 minus 4. This simplifies to 2r is greater than 6. We've simplified the inequality to 2r is greater than 6. This is our new inequality after the first step. The goal of isolating the variable r remains clear, and we've taken the first step by removing the constant term on the left side. At this stage, our expression is altered from 2r plus 4 is greater than 10 to 2r is greater than 6. We will continue solving the inequality in the following steps, but for now we've successfully simplified it to make it easier to solve for r. Step 2 to solve the inequality 2r greater than 6 is to further isolate the variable r. In this step, we need to eliminate the coefficient or multiplier that is attached to r, which in this case is the number 2. To do this, we should divide both sides of the inequality by that coefficient. Dividing helps us to balance the inequality, similar to balancing both sides of a scale by making equal changes on each side. Let's illustrate this step clearly. Original inequality, 2r is greater than 6. Divide both sides by 2. 2r divided by 2 is greater than 6 divided by 2. Simplifying this, we get r is greater than 3. We've now fully isolated the variable r, and our inequality is r greater than 3. This is our final step, and we've completed solving the inequality. Now let's express our solution in both inequality notation and interval notation. In inequality notation, our solution is r greater than 3. In interval notation, this solution is represented as the open interval 3 to positive infinity. To recap, our solution is r greater than 3, or in interval notation from 3 to positive infinity. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.